So back at it again today. Had a good day yesterday. Today we're just going to finish up some of the safety issues we got. We got to put the bars in the windshield so nothing can come in there and get us. We're going to get that window net hung, some padding, mount the gauges. There's plenty to do.
Yep.
Ain't got no help though.
Like usual.
Did I ever get a haircut?
Very nice.
Thinking about that weight savings for racing.
Speaking of racing, better get to it. It's not getting here any slower.
Yep. Reapers in 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. 2 weeks to make our racing debut.
All right, let's get after it.
It's so cheesy.
Oh, don't film this. This is super janky.
A whole lot about this is janky.
Well, we're combining some power cables here to run our quick disconnect switch in the back. Proper way to do this would be to use a distribution block of some sort, or but 1/4 inch hardware works in a pinch because race car, So that's what we're doing.
Why are we doing all this? Is there some kind of rule?
There is a rule. It says it has to have it. We will probably be the only one at the track that does have it. But hey, we play by the rules, and we're trying to make it as legit-ish as possible. But hey, this is our first time doing this. We're not professionals. Just try to look that way. Another nut. It's a proper. I'm MECP certified, so.
And what is MECP?
Mobile Electronics Certification Process, I believe.
I don't think you know.
I really don't. That was a lot of years ago. But thank you, Best Buy, for certifying me. Now that Kyle got his end all buttoned up on the car and it's all safe and sound, we decided to take it over to my shop, get some graphics put on.
So the car's first race was meant to be the Reaper 400, but about the time we was getting the car put on, we found out they had canceled the race due to the lack of pre-registration.
So we started looking around. We found a 100-lap Enduro up in Nevada, Missouri, not too far from us.
That race was only 2 weeks away, so we had just enough time to get a few more safety features put on the car. Oh, it feels safer already. Look at that. Boom, on fire.
Window net installed.
Window net installed.
No
less than 24 hours before the first race.
Well, that's classic.
It's how this is going to go from now until we no longer do this. So may as well get comfortable with it. So with the car as good as it's going to get, it was time to load it up on the trailer and head north to Nevada to try our luck up there.
Don't matter. Nothing matters right now except me getting out of this truck.
Stop!
Oh, what's
All I have left is the DeWalt battery.
Don't
Better
do
not.
that.
Better not.
Oh, you want me to pull over?
No.
Oh, shit.
Hand me that pack of zip ties.
Kill this fucking devil
No,
bug.
don't fucking do that. You'll smash him in my fucking deal.
Fuck that devil bug. Stop it, he's already dead.
No, he's not. Oh, shit. Well, tell me you have the windows locked.
I think I have him under my foot.
I see how to move like that.
He's dead. Crisis
Sure?
averted.
Did we found him?
Yep, he's dead. He's under my foot.
Oh, I'm so glad we got that on tape.
Yeah. Where'd we end up?
Well, we pull in, and Mitch drew the pill for me. Drew number 67,
67.
which translated to outside row 15th row, or outside 15th row. So 30th starting spot. We had 46 cars.
Yep.
About 3/4 way through the field. I don't know, just ready to get going. Not a bad start, so I don't know what else to say. Let's just do it. You got anything to say?
Let's get it unloaded. Let's go.
So after all the other classes had run their races, it was finally time for me and the Battle Cat's first big dirt race. Now this was Nevada's biggest enduro race they'd had so far, so getting all the cars staged firsthand was a little tedious and time consuming.
Well, Mitch, how do you think Kyle's gonna do?
He's gonna win. He's gonna win. We got it.
You ain't first or last.
If you ain't first, you're
Right.
last.
He's got it.
Battle Cat's gonna do it now. It's all about the Battle Cat.
A lot of cars out here tonight.
We'd actually pulled out on the track and done a few practice laps to make sure the transponder was reading, and by the time they got us all staged up and sitting in line, we'd sat so long that the in-car camera actually died, so this is about the only in-car shots you'll have of this race. After they threw the green, I got a pretty bad start. Some of the cars in front of me got held up a little bit, and I lost probably about 10 spots off the bat. But after that, I took my time, got settled with the car, and found my rhythm around the track. I was making some good passes. Of course, I was also getting passed by a few faster cars too, but that's to be expected.
Well,
Give me some light. I think I'm
what fucking happened here?
Racing happened. We doing good. Felt good. Passed a lot of people. And I don't know, just coming out of two there, someone drifted up on me, put me in the wall. Still drivable, but shoved the right front back a little bit. Two things happened when it did that. One is the tire now rubs a little pinch weld on the firewall and the kick panel area. And the more major problem is now the axle went back and now rubs the frame. Makes a hellacious sound, loses power, drives like shit. So, we're done. we ain't no top 3 contender. We ain't got shit to fix this, so we're gonna put her up. Looks like they got a red going on, so we'll try to get back out there and at least watch. Maybe cheer on our neighbors here. So all in all, even with the wreck, the night was a total success in my opinion. The car's repairable, we all own our families, and that's all that matters. The in-car camera dying was a total bummer, but that's something we'll just get better with in time. We'll just have to try to suck a little bit less on the camera work in the future. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next episode here on The Sideshow.